So I'm at my local Ram dealership. We're filming some content for some other videos with my Warlock, and I came across these two very badass trucks. They're pretty much identical. 3500s, both dualies, both have the Cummins inline six, but there's one glaring difference, and that is that this one has a lot of chrome, and this one, not so much. Now, the reason for this is on the Tradesman, you can option chrome. You can either do it in the Tradesman level 2A group, I think it is, or there's like an $1,000 and change add-on called the chrome package, and you can add all this wonderful chrome. And by wonderful, what I actually mean is, personally, I really dislike it. I think it makes the truck look super old. And these are both 2026 models, but this one looks really good. And I know the matte black is like the base trim, but it doesn't look base, especially with the black color. This truck looks awesome. It all matches, and what I really like is that on the 2500s and up for 2026, they kept the grille matte black to match the bumpers. On my truck, on the Warlock, and starting with the 2026s and all the 1500s, except a few models like the Rebel, the front grille is gloss black, whereas the front bumper is still matte. So there's like that contrast between the two, which isn't bad, but I think this just looks really good. Now, one thing I did notice, and I don't know if it's 100% or not, but let's say you bought a 3500 and you also didn't like the chrome, but that's the truck you got. And you can wrap the grille, you can wrap the bumper, you can swap out emblems, but the big thing is the wheels, right? The wheels are chrome. To me, when I look closely, these look like covers. They look like caps. And the reason I can say that is I see a wheel weight under the cap, and you can actually see the lip right there. And this feels plastic, obviously. And so I would assume that if you wanted to black out the wheels, per se, those caps could come off. Now on the back, same story. I'm seeing the lip right here. I see the wheel weight under the cap. And when you look on the inside tire here, it's black on the inside. But I guess if you like the chrome, then you're not going to mess with the wheels. Now, I'm probably going to get a lot of hate in the comments because I know a lot of people like chrome, and that's fine. To me, this truck looks 10 years old, and it hasn't even left the dealer lot yet. But kudos to Ram. I think they did a nice job on this base black trim. This is forged blue, which is an amazing color, by the way. I just think the chrome does it a disservice. Anyways, that's the video. Two really awesome trucks. I think Ram in the 1-ton dually segment, I think they're the best by far. They're killing it. I love the rear fender design. I know they've been doing that for ages now. But from a looks perspective, even a base Tradesman like this dually looks fantastic. Thanks for watching.